Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. We've just had one night stay here at the Yotel Hotel in Glasgow. So stay tuned, we're going to show you around, give you the full tour, and at the end we're going to let you know exactly what we thought. So let's go, guys. Now, as usual with our room tours, I like to start off at the front door. We've got our fire action plan right there. There's also a peephole and some strange locking system right there. To the left though, we do have your lights right there, and this is the controls for the air conditioning unit, which is really good, I must say. To the left, we have a sort of a hanger clothes area. Luggage just goes there, and there is some storage space above and space to hang things right there. Just below, there's also a mini fridge. I must mention though, it is not the cleanest mini fridge we've ever had. If you see that right there, that is whoever had this room before us. They seem to have left us some treats in the form of crumbs. So the cleaner must have missed that, but I do like a mini fridge. I'll turn around now, and there is a big full length mirror. To the side, we have massive flat screen TV. Something cool about this is the lighting around the sides, which how do I do it? Oh yeah, you can change it. Use these controls here and you can change the colour of the lights. Really modern, slick feature. On the wall there's a couple of signs, won't bore you with them, do not disturb, and there's a little thing there about going green. Feel free to pause and read those if you're interested. Below there's a bin. That is a bathroom area, I'll show you that shortly, but just here, of course, there's a lovely double bed. Above you can see me in the big mirror above, and I'm going to show you guys something really cool about the beds here. If you see that right there, if I click it, you can control the bed. The noise, however, is rather loud. A little bit like what it sounds like when I'm getting up in the morning. Also, there are reading lights on both sides. Click that, there we go. You can turn it up and off. Some storage there, a little bedside unit, telephone. There is a desk, it's just a TV remote there. Put it back where it goes. Yeah, we've got a desk here, little chair, drawers open up. There's nothing in them, but it's a nice desk. There's a socket right there, and we have a window to the side, which looks out onto Radisson Blu. I will mention this part of the room, this random corner, take a step back so you can get a full view, but to me that feels like a wasted space. There could be something here, maybe the wardrobe or something there instead. It's a bit of a random area with not much going on, but the whole room is pretty modern. I like the tech features. Cleanliness in the fridge, questionable. And I'll also show you under the bed does have plenty of storage. But next up, I'm going to take you into that bathroom area and show you what it's like. As I mentioned earlier, in this area here we have the bathroom. I'll take you in and give you a closer look. We'll start off here at the sink area. As you can see, there is a nice mirror above. At the side here we have some hand and body wash we have Hand and Body Cream by Urban Jungle. Never heard of that brand before, but look forward to trying it out. At the side, we have input there for, or port should I say, for electric shavers. At the side, there's a couple of glasses. We have some tissues there, and we also have a bottle opener. Down below, that is where some of the towels are kept. And just to the side here, in the sort of bathroom area, there's also your wardrobe. Strange place to put the wardrobe, but it's in this part. There are coat hangers, there's an ironing board, there is a safe down below. There's also hairdryer just there. And above, there is some storage space. Now I'll take you into our first door right here. And here is where the toilet is. Toilet roll, extra toilet roll, and there's the flush. There's also a window here, frosted glass, and if you're concerned about anyone seeing you through the frosted glass, there's also a blind. I'll also show you here as well, there is a window just next to the sink. You can see a lovely view of the Radisson Blu. We did stay there before, twice actually. If you know, you know. If not, I'll leave a link below. And just in here, we have the shower. There is a nice rainfall head above, handheld on the wall. Controls are just to the left there, and there's also more free toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash. Nice. Bathroom area is clean, it's pretty spacious. Can't complain, it's modern, I like it. I nearly forgot to show you guys this. Tash actually pointed it out for me, but if you see that circle right there, that controls this light around the mirror. I'll click it and show you. Light off, light on. Another nice feature. So now that you've seen the tour, let us know down in the comments, what are your thoughts? We've enjoyed ourselves here. The location is actually great. It's bang in the centre of Glasgow, and there are plenty of things to do all around. We had a chill evening, went out, got food and came back. The hotel room itself is clean, it's spacious. I've no complaints really. That mini fridge though, the cleaner must have missed it. There are a few things though I do want to raise. Firstly, the bathroom. There's really not much privacy in there. That little open area, I wish there was some sort of sliding door, because when you step out the shower, you have to sort of keep the shower door open so that nobody sees you. So if you are one to have your privacy in the shower, you're not one whoever else is in this room to see you, yeah, that could be something that they add to the room. The bed itself is extremely comfy. You're going to get a great night's sleep, unless you're a light sleeper, because it's actually a really noisy bed. I found myself being very aware of when I rolled over in the middle of the night because of the noise that it made. It was quite a creaky bed. So if you are a light sleeper, be aware of that. And my last thing I want to say that I would say is a negative was the lack of plug sockets. There's not very many in here. It's a room that's full of tech, but the one thing it seems to be missing is plug sockets. There's one attached to the side of the bed, and there is a double plug socket underneath the desk. But to get to the one under the desk, I had to crawl under there. Firstly, when we came out of the shower and wanted to use the hairdryer, that's when we discovered that. We were like, where plug this in? We discovered that the hairdryer cord is extremely long, so they must have thought that out. They must have knew there was a lack of plug sockets. Apart from that though, everything here has been great. Our check-in, it's a self-check-in when you come in. I'm sure you can do it at the desk, but there was these little machines, as I'll show you, that you can just check in We did speak to staff because there was no key cards, and when we did deal with any staff member, they're extremely friendly and helpful. As I mentioned, the cleanliness in here has been great, and I don't have many complaints. You get a good value for money. The price of this room was only £102 for our night's stay, and this is the Premium Plus room. So it's a slightly upgraded room, there's plenty of space, but for £102, the question I like to ask is, was it rubbish or was it worth it? And I'm going to answer that as 100% worth it. So if you're looking for a reasonably cheap stay in a good hotel in Glasgow, make sure you come to Yotel and give it a shot. If you've watched this far and you haven't clicked that thumbs up button, please do, because it helps these videos spread and helps our community grow. If you haven't clicked down below and clicked that subscribe button, that would mean a lot to us as well. So, thanks for watching. We've been Forest Thrills. Until next time, see you later guys.